Now this video you are seeing right here was created by CapCut. I use CapCut to create this video. As you can see, the person on that video was me and one lady. I don't even know how I found the lady, but the main point is that I use CapCut to create free video for myself. A lot of people don't know that you can use CapCut to create videos just like you were using Grok. You can also use CapCut to create video just like Grok. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut to create any type of video you want to create. Using CapCut, you can do so. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. And don't forget to like this video and also comment and also share this video. And if you face any challenges, you let me know in the comment section of this video and I'm going to respond to you. Now, let's start our video. So now the first thing we'll do, let's head over to CapCut. Let me look for CapCut. Now this is CapCut on my phone. I'll tap on CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut, you can go and download CapCut on your phone. So when I tap on CapCut, the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down here and I'm going to click on all tools. As you can see, all tools here. I'll click on it. Now let me scroll down to AI tools. As you can see, AI tools. Now you can see different type of things like AI avatar, video translator, AI dialogue scene, AI image. Let's try this AI image first before we try AI video. Now let's click on AI image. So now it's telling me to upload the image if I have a reference image or if I just want to create something randomly. But let me upload my own image. I want to use my image. Let me use any of my image here. Let me use this one. Let me use this one here. So now I've uploaded my image. I can still upload another image. So the next thing I'm going to do is to select the aspect ratio. Let me use 19.16. Let me put it on 19.16 and 2K resolution. As you can see here, I can also select the type of model I want to use. As you can see, they have different type of model here. I can decide to use ChatGPT 2 or I can use Season 2.3, Season 2.5, Season 2.5 again. And also, but let me use this Season 2.3 here. Season 2.3, or let me just put it on the Season 2.550 here. Now, what I will give it as a description, the type of image I want him to create for me, I will say create, let's say, create image of me and Nigeria girl in hotel, no, restaurant, in restaurant for a date. So I should be wearing, let's say, which type of dress do you guys want me to put? Let's say suit. Let's say suit. So let's click on generate, just a simple prompt, and let's see how the type of result we are going to get. Now it's generating our image. I think it's generating our image up here. It's generating our image. I forgot to select only one result. It's going to be generating different type of result, but meanwhile you can choose from that place. So this is how you are going to do it. Make sure you follow this method and you watch this video to the end, because a lot of you guys will not watch video to the end. Instead of you to watch video step by step, you will not watch video step by step. If somebody just show you video, you just jump into conclusion and start looking for the result, or without watching the video to the end, and you are going to miss some step. And after you miss some step, you will now come back and be saying you try it, it did not work. It will not work if you do not watch the video to the end. Now let's give it some minutes so that it's going to generate the image. Now it has generated the images here. As you can see, we have different type of result here. Now this one here, you can see this is our first result here. This is our second result. It still maintained my cap here, and this is our third result, and this is another one again. As you can see, it all carry my face. It all carry my face. In fact, I love this one. I like this one. Let's just save this one, or let me save it all. I will be posting them on my page. Let me save them all. I will be posting them. Let me post them. But I want to animate this one here. This is the one I want us to use for this video. So let's go back. Let's go back. Now, after we go back, we can just change this to video here. We can change it to video here. As you can see, we can just tap here and put it on video. And we upload our image and we'll start creating. or you can also go back again. And when you go back, you can just click on all AI tools like we did before, and we come back to AIs, and we are going to see AI video. As you can see AI video here, you tap on this AI video. Now you can just upload that image. You can upload image. Now let's upload that image, the one I say I like most. This one here, I like this one very well. It look very nice. So after uploading the image, the next thing I have to do is just to put my prompt. So let me put a simple prompt like both of them having dinner. So let's just use this prompt. Let me rearrange the prompt. I use voiceover to write it. So let's rearrange the prompt. MP Flavor TV. Let's read it together again if it's okay. Both of them having dinner. Let's say having dinner together. They were laughing, and the guy said to the lady, wow, nice meeting you. I never knew you are so beautiful like this. And the lady replied, thank you, Numpe Flavor TV. You are also handsome, dear. So this is a simple prompt. So we can select here like this and select different type of AI tool. As you can see, they have Cadence 2.0, they have Cadence 2.02, they have Cadence 1.5, they have Sora, they have VO3, and many more. You can see them here. But I want us to use this Cadence 2.0. Now, we can decide to put it in 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and above. Now, let's use it 15 seconds. Let's push 15 seconds. Now, after putting 15 seconds, now 10 seconds, sorry, 10 seconds. I don't want 15 seconds, 10 seconds. The next thing we are going to do is to click on generate here. Now, as you can see, it's generating our video. Now, this is the result. As you guys can see, this is the result here. So let me play it so that you guys are going to see the result. Now, this is the result. Yes, now you see the result, how nice the result is and everything about the video. So we can just decide to save this video to our phone right now, or you can decide to choose music and add music background or anything. We can also edit it on CapCut here. So to edit it, let's export it. Let me export it. Let's click on export up here and export the video. Now the video is exporting to our phone already, as you can see. Now the video has export. So now the video is export. Let me go back. This is the video, and you can also do other things on this. You can choose like AI video, image video, AI effect, and you can also use CapCut right now to edit image. So if you want me to make video on how you can use CapCut to edit your photos, you can let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make video about that. And if you want one-on-one class, you can also let me know in the comment section, or you can just check my bio. You are going to see my number. Just chat me that you want me to teach you one-on-one class how you can be editing videos or creating videos with AI, and I'm going to teach you. So this is how you are going to use CapCut to edit videos or create videos using CapCut. Guys, you have seen everything, how you can use CapCut to start generating videos for yourself, just like you were using Grok or VO3 or other AI tools to generate video. You can also use CapCut. So if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.